Hi guys, my name is Troy DeRego and I have a secret to share. As a sourdough bread baker, I've learned that fermentation brings out amazing flavors from grains. It's like nature's nanotechnology, microbes working together to break down the grains, granting us access to nutrients and flavors. I have many friends who are beer brewers and they have a secret too. Nearly all of the grain used to brew beer is set aside as animal feed. They call it spent grains, but the truth is, the grain has elevated levels of proteins, nutrients, and fiber, as well as amazing complex flavors, if you know how to get at them. I make naturally fermented craft beer grain crackers. I started making them because they taste great. But now I see this great opportunity to help reclaim a valuable food source. Beer grains are just the beginning. Naturally fermented crackers can do the same thing for fruit and vegetable pulp used in the juicing industry. When you find something that tastes so good and can help save the planet, that's a secret that needs to be shared. Thanks for checking out my video. I hope you get a chance to try my crackers because I know you'll love them. Thank you.